So this is a sewer inspection of 1030 Indiana Avenue in the city of South Pasadena. Right now I've actually pushed the camera from the sewer cleanout down into the sewer, so we can start from the city connection and then we'll work our way back towards the house. So what we're looking at right now is the actual city sewer, and this is the final connection from the homeowner's building sewer, which is right here. This is called the saddle, and we can see that the building sewer actually has a liner inside of it. The liner is a felt material that's been impregnated with resin, and it's installed inside the existing sewer pipe, and typically has a life expectancy of 50 years, and it does reduce the diameter of the pipe marginally, but it's nothing to be concerned about. So we'll just continue looking at the liner. So that's the end of the liner right there, and then the pipe transitions to ABS pipe. And then right there, the pipe changes from the ABS pipe to clay. And you can see right there, there's actually some roots inside the clay pipe, and the pipe is actually shifted as well. So it looks like we have about approximately 55 feet of 4-inch clay pipe. Has roots coming in at all the connections. And there's quite a lot of roots right there actually, at 43 feet. Yeah, that's definitely needs to be snaked out at the very least, and get that cleaned. I'd maybe even recommend hydrogetting it to get rid of all the roots inside. There's more roots there. And hydrogetting is a process where we use water under high pressure, and it cuts all the roots out 360 degrees of the inside diameter of the pipe, and it restores the flow, typically for about a year, 2 years, until the roots grow back again. You can see here the pipe's actually cracked in quite a few areas. So this is all 4-inch clay pipe right here. And there's a little bit of roots right there as well. Pipe's cracked. Might even be a little hole in the pipe there. Separation. And then the pipe changes back to ABS again here. And this is actually the clean out that we were using to inspect the sewer. And this is at the north side of the property, right beside the gate from the front yard. That's the clean out, and that's the backyard down that way. And that concludes the sewer inspection for 1030 Indiana Avenue, South Pasadena, California.